Number 1. 1977 Ford F-250 pickup, $1,999, Denver, Colorado. This 1977 Ford F-250 is a budget-friendly long bed project equipped with the 351 modified V8 and two-wheel drive. It starts and runs but struggles above 40 miles per hour, indicating the need for significant engine attention. The body is intact and the truck carries a clean title, making it a solid platform for restoration. Not suitable for immediate daily use, but a worthwhile project for late 70s Ford pickup enthusiasts. Number 2. 1963 Jeep Willys pickup, $2,000, Prosser, Washington. Equipped with the original Tornado 230 inline-6, this 1963 Jeep Willys pickup presents desirable early 60s styling and a body in fair condition. It is a non-running project needing a transmission, transfer case, radiator, and engine rebuild. With a clean title and most original components still present, it offers strong potential for collectors of vintage, four-wheel drive Willys trucks. Number 3. 1988 Ford F-250 4WD, $5,000, North End, Tacoma, Washington. Showing 132,000 miles, rolled over, this 1988 Ford F-250 four-wheel drive runs well and maintains its rugged 8-cylinder powertrain. Cosmetic improvements are needed, including a replacement passenger window due to theft damage. The interior is in decent condition overall. With a clean title and dependable mechanical health, it offers solid utility and potential value for a buyer willing to complete the cosmetic work. Number 4. 1985 Toyota pickup, $1,500, Glendale, California. This 1985 Toyota pickup shows 199,000 original miles and has recently been revived after long-term storage. The engine runs but feels sluggish, likely needing ignition or carburetor servicing. The interior is clean and the body shows no major dents. It is missing the title and currently carries non-operational registration, a good low-cost project for fans of Toyota's durable small trucks. Number 5. 1955 Dodge pickup, $2,800, Kingston, Washington. A classic mid-50s Dodge pickup featuring a running V8 and manual transmission. This truck is presented as a restoration candidate with a clean title. The odometer has rolled over and brake repair is needed before it becomes roadworthy. With timeless styling and a solid drivetrain, it offers a strong foundation for a vintage Dodge build. Number 6. 1946 Studebaker M5 pickup, $3,500, St. Paul, Minnesota. Stored for 40 years, this 1946 Studebaker M5 remains remarkably intact with minimal rust and strong structural bones. Its 6-cylinder engine turns freely and the truck includes new tires and a 6-volt battery. Although not currently running, its completeness and originality make it a desirable project for enthusiasts seeking a rare post-war Studebaker pickup. Number 7. 1949 Ford F1, $4,995, Janesville, Minnesota. This 1949 Ford F1 offers true vintage character with its patina finish and solid running condition. It runs, drives, and is ready for cruising or further restoration. With a clean title, manual transmission, and sturdy body, it stands out as a well-preserved survivor from the early F-Series era, ideal for rat rod builders or classic truck collectors. Number 8. 1962 Chevrolet C10 Pickup, $900, Vancouver, Washington. A parts-only 1962 Chevrolet C10 equipped with a straight-six engine and 4-speed transmission. With no title and long-term outdoor storage, it is best suited for components or donor parts. The truck has good glass and appears largely complete mechanically, making it useful for first-generation C10 restoration projects. Number 9. 1976 Ford F-150 SuperCab Ranger, $12,500, Maricopa, Arizona. This rust-free and well-preserved 1976 Ford F-50 SuperCab Ranger features the desirable 390fe V8 with a rebuilt engine, upgraded ignition components, fresh interior parts, and new tires. Air conditioning system components are included. With a clean title and strong mechanical updates, it serves as both a nostalgic cruiser and a collectible example of mid-70s Ford truck craftsmanship. Number 10. 1984 Dodge D150, $11,000, West St. Paul, Minnesota. Powered by a freshly rebuilt 360 V8 featuring aluminum Edelbrock heads, performer intake, and a 600 CFM carburetor, this 1984 Dodge D150 delivers strong performance. The rebuilt 904 automatic transmission includes a shift kit and deep pan. Rust-free and clean-titled, it drives well overall. Minor needs include electrical cleanup and replacing the improvised bed-mounted fuel tank, a well-upgraded and powerful 80s Dodge pickup. Number 11. 1987 Ford Diesel, $14,000, Fields Landing, California. A rare diesel-powered four-wheel drive Ford equipped with an Allison automatic transmission and showing only 49,000 miles. With new batteries and solid overall condition, this truck promises durable heavy-duty performance. Its exceptionally low mileage for the year makes it a standout choice for collectors or those seeking dependable diesel capability. Number 12. 1954 Ford F100, $16,995, Albuquerque, New Mexico. This mostly original 1954 Ford F100 features a rebuilt 6-cylinder engine and 3-speed manual transmission. Upgrades include newer paint and fresh seat upholstery while preserving the classic interior style. Located in Santa Fe with a clean title, it runs and drives smoothly, an appealing option for enthusiasts seeking a 50s Ford pickup with driver-ready reliability. Number 13. 1950 Dodge B2 pickup, $20,000, Alameda, California. A striking pilot house design truck, this 1950 Dodge B2 features a strong-running flathead 6, clean title, and attractive red and cream presentation. Its steel body, rounded fenders, and split windshield showcase iconic post-war Dodge styling. With a clean interior and included extras, it is well suited for weekend cruising or vintage truck events. Examples in this condition are increasingly difficult to find. Number 14. 1952 Chevrolet 3100, $18,000, Fremont, Union City / Newark, California. This 1952 Chevrolet 3100 retains its classic inline-6 engine and original character, featuring the factory gauge cluster and current tags valid through 2026. The body and frame are in strong condition, and recent updates include a refurbished generator, new distributor components, and new vacuum advance. Wiring harness completion is still needed. A clean-titled and well-preserved advanced design Chevrolet, ideal for finishing into a dependable classic driver.